Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need line segment tool, hold shift and draw the line. Now, pick up the stroke color and increase the stroke value. Now, select this line, hold Alt plus shift, copy and adjust this line. Now, select those and group it. Now, we take rotate tool, rotate angle 40 degree, preview it, then OK. Now you need reflect tool, vertically 90 degree, preview it, then copy. Now you take again line segment tool, hold shift and draw the line. Select all and go to object, expand. Now you take shape builder tool and displace all unnecessary part. Select this single portion and group it. Select these portions, hold Alt plus shift, copy and adjust. Now select all, again take shape builder tool and cut unnecessary part. Select this and go to Pathfinder, click unit. Now ungroup it. Select this point, take direction tool, select this pointer and round it. Select those and change the color. Now we change the color from red active. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.